Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to assign the right variant photos, variant of your product photos to the right variant option value. So you can see here I've got a white t-shirt and a gray t-shirt. I've got the images for both. They've got different colors. So what I need to do, option name color, option values, white and gray. Now you have to scroll down here to the variants themselves, and then you click on the picture, and that's going to open up your pictures here, and that's where you select. So you can see I've selected it there. You select the image that you want to be assigned to that variant. And the reason this is important is because then when someone shops your store, so if I refresh and I switch from the white to the gray, now it's going to flip the variant because I've assigned the new variant to the color. And so that's it. Hope that helps.